Hi everyone, today I'm not alone. I've got this. Welcome to Allotment 25. When I first started, I did everything the old-fashioned way. I used one of these, almost done my back in. So I went and got myself one of these. It's the Handy Cultivator. It's not a huge thing, but very powerful. As you can see, it's petrol operated. It's got an old-fashioned choke. It's got the pulley. Have a look at the claws at the bottom. Dangerous. So yeah, I'll be using this today, and the idea is to dig. Right, let me show you where. Sadly, this plot just didn't work out. This is where I threw the mustard seeds in. It's what we call life atta back in Bangladesh. Look, terrible. These red spinach just didn't work out. I have got no idea what this is. Yeah, it's just been a waste. So the plan is I'm gonna dig it all up. I've not decided whether I'm gonna use it again or if I'm just gonna leave it for next year, but let me dig it up first and then we'll decide what I'm gonna do. I don't damage the chili plants. I've just put a piece of wood there to stop me from going over. Now I'm gonna start this up now. Just to let you know, this thing is very loud, so when it gets going you're not going to be able to hear anything I say, so I'll try and lower the volume in the settings. Now I do need to use both hands to operate this, but I'm going to try with one so I can also try and do some recording as well. Right, let's get this thing going. As you saw from that, guys, I need to use both hands to do this. That's what I did with one hand, but it's not good enough. So give me a few minutes, or actually give me 5-10 minutes. I'll be right back. Let me just do this and I'll show you what I've done. Didn't take too long. Look at that. Nice. The cultivator went through it like butter. So what I've decided to do, I'm not going to waste this space. I'm going to move some of my salad plants over here. That way the plants will have more space to grow. The patch is now ready. What I've done, I've marked it out with these woods just so I know which area I'm working with, so it makes it easy for me to plant as well. I'm just going to go and grab some of the plants and I'll see you in a second, and then we'll carry on planting. I've got 3 types of plants that I want to grow here. So this is the first one. This is white radish. Then I've got what looks similar to what was here before, but this is a Bangladeshi vegetable. It's called a doogie. So this is going to be interesting if you haven't seen this before. And then finally, I've got some red radish. So let's start with the red radish. So just make a bit of space. Go. Lovely. Let me do a few more, and I'm going to try and space them out so they've got room to grow. As you can see, I'm struggling a bit with just the one hand. Perfect. Let me do one more. Good spot. Okay, so that's 3 of them. What I'll do is I'll carry on doing the rest, and then once I've done, I'll come back and I'll show you the result. As you can see, all the plants are in the ground now. What I've tried to do is make it look like the Bangladeshi flag, so green and red. All that's left to do is to give them a bit of water, and then we should be done. So here we go. There you are. Before I go home, let me see if there's anything I can pick today. Let's move this rake out of the way. Yeah, here we are. Nice courgette. Let's take that. Okay, any more? Okay, I can see there's 2 in here. Let's grab this one. Slight twist. Done. And there's another one in the back. There we go. Let me just give it a twist. There you go. It's 3. Got some broad beans in here as well. Let's take some of this. Just gonna go over the other side and have a look. Oh yeah, look, it's quite a lot here actually. Okay, I tell you what, give me a second. Let me just pick these and I'll be right back. OMG, look at these brood beans, so many. Look at the size of these, wow. I bet they're gonna taste awesome. Let's go and see if we've got any strawberries. Already I can see some red strawberries. Wow, look at that one. Nice. There's another one. There's another one. Oh my god, there's so many here today. Oh, almost missed this one. Look at that. And there you go, there's another one. Tell you what, let me go and get my scissors and I'll start cutting some of these up and I'll show you the end result. I've done my picking for the day. As you can see, the strawberries are looking good, so are the courgettes, 3 of them, and look at all them broad beans. They all look fantastic. I have to say, I feel so blessed every time I come to pick my fruit and veg. These 3 particular crops, they have always given me back so much. Long may it continue. Absolutely loving it. And as always, I'm going to be sharing these with my viewers, friends and family. That's the end of today. Thank you very much for joining me. Hopefully I'll see you next Sunday. Until then, take care, look after yourself, all the best. Bye bye.